So
So good day, guys.
this
This
video
video is a tutorial
will help
that
you
will
out
help you on
to
how to
create
create
an
an
account
account
with
with
Tentrade
Tentrade
broker.
broker.
You
You
understand? So the
understand? So
first
the
thing I
first thing
need
I need
you to
you
do
to
now
do now
is for
is
you
for
to
you to
help me
help me
to
load
sorry.
so
It's for you
it's
to
for
help
you
me
to be able to download
MetaTrader 5
MetaTrader 5
your
on your
app
app
store
store
or
or
Google Play
Google Play
Store.
Store.
That's
That's
if
if you're actually
you're
making use
on
of an
Android.
Android.
So let me
Okay, let
type
me type it here.
MetaTrader
MetaTrader
5.
5. Right.
So
So
this
it is for
5.
Right.
Don't
So
need your
download
app
your
store
app
in your
store in
Play
your Play
Store.
Store.
When you are
When you are
done
done
downloading,
downloading it,
just leave
just
it.
leave it.
We
We
are
are
still
still
going
going
to
to
come
come
there.
there. You
Understand? So the
understand? So the
next thing we have
next
to
thing we
do
have
is
to do
we
is we
want
want
to
to
create
create
a broker
a
account.
broker account.
So
So
you with
you
the
with
link
the
you have
link
been
you have been
provided,
provided,
you
you
understand?
understand? Just click,
You
you
understand?
understand?
And now
And now
you get the link,
when you get the
you'll
link,
be
you'll
given,
be given
this will be
this
the
will be the
interface.
interface, you
So
understand? So
of course
of
you're an
course you're an individual client, you
register
register
your
your
first name.
first name.
Let me
Let me
register.
register all these things,
I'm
then
actually
I'm
going
actually going
to
to
get back
get back to you
on the
on the
video.
video.
So guys, immediately you are done inputting all these things, it's going to bring you here. Though your account has not been verified, and I know you want to verify your account because you don't want to have any issues. So now, for the proof of your ID, you can actually use your national ID card, your passport, your driver license, national ID slips, or tax card. And as well, you have to verify your proof of address. An example of the documents can be using are your utility bills, credit card statement, bank or credit bank statement, national ID card. But I will tell you guys to go for your bank statement. Do you understand? And for year, you can use your NIN slip. It's more like the national ID slip. You understand? You can use your passport if you have, and you can use your driver license or your voter's card. Can see this is very, very easy. All you have to do is just upload it. You understand? You select what you want to upload. Okay, this is proof of ID. Okay. Select the document has an expiring date. For instance, NIN does not have expiring date now. No. So you click no, you put your NIN number, document type, NIN slip, you understand, country of issue, Nigeria, you upload the front and back, boom, you are good to go. It will be verified. And same time when you are done, you approve your proof of address too. Then boom, we are done. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to fund your account, right? When it comes to the funding, they actually offer one of the best deposit and both withdrawal method, very fast. So now you want to deposit your account, your wallet. This is your wallet. Either you can use bank transfer, cryptocurrency, credit cards, Cora Pay, Nestella, understand? So for instance, me personally, I always use bank transfer USD. So me personally, I use Cora Pay NGN. When I click on that, it tell me, then I click on continue. Then how much do I want to deposit to my account? Now let me check the list. Okay, 5,000. So you see, I can even deposit as low as 5,000. But please come back here. Let's deposit. Let's say 10. That's 14,745, which is 147 at parity. Okay. Then click on. Okay, now check the minimum deposit is 14,500. Understand? So that's still okay. 14,005. Let's just say 15,000. So that will be our deposit 10.16. Click on continue. Understand? And it's right to checkout page, and before you know it, you pay to their bank account. You can put your debit card, you can put your bank account. You understand? Anyone you want, you do it. That's not an issue. So now, when it comes to you linking your Tentrade account to your MT5, what I mean by the MT5, that was the MetaTrader you downloaded in your Play Store or your App Store. So what you have to do is come to your account, open a live account. So any type of account you want to open, either a bonus account or a standard account, depending on the one you want. Let's put bonus account. Okay. USD, yes. So you can usually use bonus, but let's use standard accounts. I'm thinking because of they have the same leverage. That's good. I love this. Okay, guys. So now it has given me all this as my login details, guys. It has given me all this as my login details. So this is my MT5 logins. This is the login ID, the server, the password, and investor password. And this investor password you probably want to give another person your MT5 details in such a way that they can monitor your trade, but they won't be able to place trades. You understand? You don't need it actually. So what we just need now is the server, login, and the password. You understand? So now let's try and log in this on our mobile, on our MT5 mobile. So now this is what my MT5 look like. Can you see? So that's my MT5. Now, not forgetting the login and the necessary details I was giving. So now let me log into my MT5. Sorry, I'm in current. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to come to this down part where you are seeing codes, charts, trade, history, settings. So you click on setting. Then you click on this upper button, this other or upper this thing showing on Malefane, stuff like that. In the case, you click on here. You click on this positive sign. Or okay, let me show you how it's going to be in your own case. In your own case, it's going to be like this. Okay, in your case, this is how it's going to be like. When you click on this setting, this is how it's going to be like. So you just click on this trade account. When you click on trade account, you click on this positive sign. Now we are using Tentrade, of course, so you search Tentrade as the name of your broker. Then you see we have them here. You click them here. You understand? So now is a real account, right? So the server is Tentrade. You understand? So we just need our login ID, which is the 153. If you go back to the last video, we talked about 153943. And the password will be given 4411 capital letter V for exclamation K. You click on sign in. So now we are signing. It's actually showing an amount of balance of 0.00 because it's not deposited, guys. So that's it. So the same way, if you want to create a demo account, you create a demo account. You know, we choose live account there. So same way, you create a demo. You create a demo account. And you can see these are the codes. These are the things we offer. Sorry, they offer. So, and if you need any other signals or any other currency pair that is not listed here, all you just have to do is click on this top right pencil icon. Then you click on what you are looking for, what pair you are looking for to trade, then you add it to your quotes. You understand? So this is not an issue because well, a video on how you can be able to do all this thing and place trade and stuff like that will also be shared. So now we've automatically created an account. We've automatically created an account of Tentrade and how to link it to your MT5. So thank you guys.